What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're going to be taking a look at a watch band that I picked up from my Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So I picked this up on Amazon. This is a stainless steel band, and it's by this company here, KOREDA, if I'm pronouncing that right. And this is going to fit watch sizes 46 millimeter, 44, and 40. And it says it's for the Watch 8 Classic. So let's go ahead and take a look at this and see what we got here. I think it was like $20, $17, something like that. So I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So I just wanted to have something kind of make it a little stylish from time to time. Does come with a tool to resize it as well. Go ahead and get this out. So you can take some of the links out. They could give you the little tool here, so you guys see, and you get an extra end on it. So I resize my Invicta watch bands all the time, so I'm pretty familiar with that little tool there. Then they give you some instructions here on how to take the links out. Pretty simple. And then here's the band. And see how you get this band out of here. Okay, just pull it out like that. There it is. And they got plastic all over the band, so this should match up pretty good with the color of the watch. So let me get this plastic off and I'll come right back. All right, guys, got the plastic off. Here's the stainless steel strap. Looks pretty good. Here's the end that connects to your watch right here. And then on the bottom, you see these little arrows on the links here. That's where you would remove your links if you need to right there. They call this a no gap, and I think it's gonna look pretty good on the watch. So let me get the old watch band off right quick. As a notification comes in, and then we're gonna go ahead and attach this. Make sure I get it the right way. So let's see, it's gonna go on my wrist like this. So this end has to go that way. And I had a little trouble getting the other ones to go in, so let's see if I can get this in front of the camera. There it is, snap right in place. And let's get this side here. And there it is. So here it is next to the watch. Let's go ahead and take I have a case on the watch, so here it is right here. What do you guys think? Look pretty good right there. That is an excellent match right there, in my opinion. So let me try it on, see how many links I need to take out. All right, guys, so here it is on my wrist. As you guys see, I need to take out a bunch of links here. So I'm going to say 2 per side, and we'll see what it looks like then. So let me go ahead and get the links out. I'll show you how the tool matches up. All right, guys, so I took the band back off. I'm going to take off 2 links on each side. You guys see the arrows there, so that means you push the pin that way. And trying to do this on camera, guys, so stick with me here. I'm going to line my little tool here up and try and push this out on camera. All right, as you guys see, the pin is pushing out. Then you just back your tool out like that. And then here's the pin. Just take it out just like that. And just remember which way it came out. So I'm gonna do 2 links. So we'll come down to this next pin right here. Just like that. Take the pin, pull it out, and that's 2 links right there. So now what I'm going to do is just connect this back. Just put the pin back in. So what they didn't give me is something to tap the pin in all the way back in. So I'll do that, and then I'm going to take the links off the other side, and we'll take a look at what it looks like. Okay, guys, so here's the watch band. As you guys see, it looks very nice on there. They call this a no gap. I took 2 links out. I have a 7 1/4 inch wrist, and I think it came out very nice. Here are the 2 links from each side. You can just take those, put them to the side right there, and this is what it looks like. Very, very nice. And the way it comes off, you got 2 buttons. Squeeze the buttons and then just slide your wrist out. But I think this is a very nice watch band, inexpensive, and it looks great as well. So I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to go pick this up. Will H. I'm out.